superstars, welcome back to the channel, You guys, today we got a protective style because I'm stretching my hair out, y'all, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I wasn't gonna do no wash and go. I wasn't gonna do no twist, no nothing. So I don't know what we're going to do. And yes, you guys see me, I'm kind of jazzed up a little bit, honey. I'm finna go see if I can crash somebody. I'm gonna go see if I can crash somebody's Zoom party or something. You know, make me a little cocktail. Get into these knots, baby. I was feeling a little naughty, so I said if I'm feeling a little naughty by nature, I might as well give me some knots to match. You know what I'm saying? So we made us some Bantu knots. And do y'all want to see how I did it? It wasn't that like difficult though. It wasn't like this fancy, like, it's really not that fancy of an experience, y'all. It's just me talking and being myself. So hopefully that's enough for y'all to get your fix. But I did use some new products that I keep seeing on the shelf, and honey, they was on sale from Walgreens, so you already knew I had to get it. But if this is your first time visiting the channel as I stutter and talk with fake lifts that I don't have, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you join with my other superstars. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads on the channel. What else? Drop some comments down below if you want to see something different, if you want to see something the same. If you don't want to see nothing at all, I don't know. It's up to you. Your world, I'm just in it, honey. But yes, let's get into it, honey. Let's talk about it. Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel, Welcome back, you guys. Oh my gosh, hello, how are you? I hope you guys like are about to have like a really fun weekend, like barbecuing or something, of course, like at your house with your immediate families. If y'all are gonna be out and about, like, be careful. Sidebar, y'all, but does anybody drink kombucha? I live. It's so good. Anywho, I'm sure that you guys gathered by the thumbnail and the title. Yes, it's another hair video because my hair was like deathly ill. Okay, let's just put it out there. But I needed to do a wash. If you guys remember, I tricked the system last time by avoiding my wash, by adding some products to it, using the Flexi rods, kind of rehydrating the curls. But I will tell y'all, it lasted us a good few more days, but my scalp was screaming, so I just could not avoid it any longer. It is freshly washed. So this is my hair in its natural state. There we go. Look at those curls. I'm like 3C. Well, you know, I feel like my hair can kind of do a little bit of everything. Like the main part of my hair, I feel like is a good 3C majority of the time, or 3B. But when it dries, like it really just does its own thing. I mean, I feel like I have patches of 3B, 3C, 4A, like it's just a hot mess. But anywho, so today, we use the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Coconut, sorry, not coconut, Angie, cocoa butter. The High Slip Detangling Shampoo with Flaxseed Oil, which is here, hello. And then we also, focus, and then we also used the, well, we haven't used it yet. I'm gonna use it for you guys. But it's the Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Leave-In or Rinse Out Conditioner. I'm gonna leave it in just because my hair was very dry. I mean, it was already dry in the last video that you guys seen when I tricked the system. So we wanna leave a lot of the moisture in there. Also has the flaxseed oil. And this line is supposed to be for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair. Why can I not get that out? That was like almost like a tongue twister. But here is the leave-in conditioner, honey. Don't mind the nails, y'all. Look, it's crazy out here, okay? So anywho, so we're gonna take, oh yes, there we go. It smells like cocoa butter. It does really have like quite a bit of a slip. Now I will tell y'all, like that kind of made me nervous when I was shampooing my hair. Like it really did have a strong slip, that shampoo. And I just, for whatever reason, just really believed that it was not going to be able to, am I moving the table? It wasn't going to be able to lather up the way that I needed it to, for me to really get the product to disperse. If this is a hang up for you guys, I know some people are sensitive. I do apologize for the wet shirt, but you know, hello, my hair was wet. But anywho, I was nervous that the shampoo was just not going to give me the slip that I needed or that I wanted, desired. But I was pleasantly surprised. Like it felt like my hair was going through like a bit of a milk bath, and I was not mad about it. So I am putting a good amount of this into my hair, y'all. And I'm actually gonna split it here. Cause I really wanna distribute that product. I'm gonna get onto them ends, honey. I gotta trim my hair, y'all. May not look that bad, but I noticed, if you guys notice, like when you're combing out your hair and your hair like tends to snag a lot, do you guys use that as an indicator that you should trim your hair? Because I do all the time, like all the time. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you should probably go ahead and do so. I'd love to have you, honey. Because you just never know what we're going to be doing over here on this channel. So same thing on the other side, gals and guys. So like, what do y'all have planned? Is anybody barbecuing? Can you send me like a virtual plate? Does that work? Is that a thing? Can I eat off of your plate on the Zoom party? I think not. If the weather permits, we'll probably get in the pool. I don't know when. I don't know which day. Yeah, see, my hair is dry and my ends are kicking, honey. That kitchen is kicking. That kitchen is kicking, honey. I did not have a lot of shedding this time around. I want to say we made it, what, like 8 or 9 days with my hair. And that's typically, I like, if I'm going to do like a full wash, I don't overly wash my hair every other day. My hair can't take that. So yeah, I would say that we made it probably a good 7 to 9 days. We'll just say that. I keep moving the table and it's moving the camera, y'all, so I am so sorry. So I'm just getting some bobby pins because we're gonna do a little protective style, honey, because we're not going anywhere. Who do we have to go meet? Nobody. We're not going to the club or any parties or anything. I don't even have a Zoom party to attend, hell. So that was the shampoo and the conditioner, you guys. Good stuff. It's not too heavy. It definitely has that high slip that it claims. Like it feels very light on my hair. Like I don't feel like it's drowning it or it's too heavy or anything like that. So I'm excited about that. So let's get started. I'm feeling a little naughty, as in knottish, as in Bantu knots. Hello. Gosh, you guys. Come on, like, catch up, mustard. Anyway, ooh, this feels nice. Let me like kind of stand up a little bit for y'all. I want y'all to see how far. You can't even see it. My hair stretches, honey. It stretches. It's long and luxurious. So yeah, this is so much better. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. There's like a piece of hair or lash or something on my face. Okay guys, so we're gonna do some Bantu knots. Okay, it's not gonna be anything super fancy. Again, this is just a protective style to keep my hair in place. I could do one big old knot. Okay, that hair goes. It's just so crazy how the back of your hair like that is always so short. Blows my mind every time. So to keep it in the family, honey, we are gonna use Shea Moisture, but we're gonna use a little bit of their coconut and hibiscus curl and style milk. This has silk protein and neem oil. Take a gander at that, honey. Come, what the hell? Okay. I would say that that's like enough right there. That little dollop. It smells nice. It smells real nice. I'm gonna spray it a little bit with the Hold and Shine Moisture Mist, also from the same line, you guys. Focus. Here we go. And literally what I'm gonna do, Bantu knots are very easy. Like, all it is that you're just twisting the hair. And because my hair is long, I can use my fingers. I don't know if, well, y'all can't see, but you'll see more in the front. But I'm just literally twisting my hair around my fingers and then twisting it around the knot. And when I twist it, every time I twist it, I kind of go like underneath it. Another good reason for doing the Bantu knots is if you're wanting to stretch out your coils, but without using so much heat or no heat at all. It's a good way to stretch out your hair, to either prep it to be blown out. So since it's already stretched out, you don't have to put so much heat on it for so long. Or you can just let it dry completely, and then unravel your knots, and then you might have a whole little situation. Do y'all ever feel like y'all just want to chop off your hair, like real talk? Like you have that nappily ever after moment? I've done that before. And I remember I was asked when I met up with a friend and I got in the car with them and they seen that my hair was significantly, are you gonna focus? I got in the car with my friend and my hair was significantly shorter. I'm gonna be mad if this has been going out of focus the whole time.
We're gonna fight.
Anyway, I got in the car with them and my hair was significantly shorter, and when I got in the car, I shut the door like when shit like wrong going on and nothing, like I didn't just have that nappily ever moment in the house minutes before they arrived. And they were like, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine. Why? Why would you ask such a question?" They were like, "Your hair is gone." And I was like, "Yeah, I cut it." And they were like, "Oh, you went to somebody and cut it?" And I was like, "No, silly, I cut it myself." And they were like, "Really? You just cut your hair?" And I was like, "Yeah, I just cut my hair." And they were like, "People don't do that. Normal people don't do that." And I got to thinking, is it truly unnormal for a person to just cut their hair on their own? I don't think so, y'all. Like, somebody tell me. But is it in fact unnormal for a person to like cut their hair? Does that signify that something is wrong in a person's life if they take the
shears to their scalp?
Ooh, honey, my hair is gonna feel good tomorrow. Let me just bring that hair down. We'll do it like that. Get our Ashantis going, honey. What y'all know about them Ashantis? Yo, Ashanti had them side burns. What? Y'all remember Ashanti had them sideburns, honey? She had them sideburns, them 3rd degree sideburns. And I'm just gonna kind of spray around the hair because I want to, and I'm being extra.
And then I got my tea tree oil.
I love it. Okay. So I'm gonna take the tea tree oil and we're gonna put it into the palm of our hands, and then we're just going to kind of press that into our hair. Y'all know that if you suffer from dandruff, tea tree oil is like one of your best friends. Just saying. I like use it for some of everything. But you guys already knew that, honey, from coming on the channel. Y'all see it? It's coming loose. Now let me see you get loose. See, this is what I'm talking about, y'all. That right there. The devil is busy.
My antennas is ready. And they are picking up the line. But if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, you're going to do so right.
This is cool. I could do this. Good little protective style. Stretching my hair out. We got our Ashantis going, you know? Just brushed my whole face, damn. I think I want to put on a lip and change my shirt. Look at my antennas, y'all. Okay, superstars, so this is the final, honey. We got our knots in, our scalp is treated, our hair is cleansed, and it's feeling good, ready to go take on somebody's Zoom party that I'm gonna try and crash. I don't know, because none of my friends are having one right now, but that's okay, I can have my own. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, just let your girl know. Drop it down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up now. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any posts if you haven't done that already and you're already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, if you've watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed yet, there are some options, okay? There's a box in one of these corners down here below where you can just click it and subscribe. I made it so easy and convenient for you guys because no pressure, but subscribe. But no pressure. I love y'all. Subscribe. No pressure though, you know, hey, do what you want. You're gonna do what you want anyway, so it's fine, but I would love to have you. But yes, you guys, I can't wait to see how I sleep though, because I'm not normally used to having my hair knotted up. I'm gonna put my little superhero bonnet on, honey, and we're gonna get it together. Don't forget, honey, love is love. Don't forget to spread it because it don't cost shit to do it. So stop being so damn evil to people and tell somebody you love them. And I love you guys. Ciao, ciao, goodbye. I love y'all. Bye, superstars. Follow me on Instagram, _lifewithstar_, 2 R's with the star, please. Ciao, ciao.